do a little introduction, and then we'll have Angel read and introduce herself and read, and then if the other poet comes, he'll read. And then, oh no, it's okay, I'm standing. And then at the end, I'll also have a little closing. So I'm Denise. This is my husband Alvaro. That's all his art everywhere. I'm a writer, and my books are near the entrance of the main gallery. Let's see, what else do we want to tell them? We also have a few mugs that depict some of the paintings in here. Every month since probably 2002, I think, we've tried to hold some kind of event here. We were away for a while in Arizona, and then we came back and we started again in 2020. We actually had an event every month in 2020, sometimes outdoors. So I'm really happy to have Angel today to read her poetry.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, so thanks all for coming. I'm going to start off with a poem called Gallery Light, because I made it just for this. So I wanted to open with something soft about the way art doesn't just hang on walls. It listens and it remembers. So the light in here feels like it knows secrets, not the big dramatic kind, the soft ones. Like how brushstrokes remember hands, or quiet corners remember laughter. I passed a painting of a boat drifting in sunrise, and something in my chest loosened. I think art does that. Not fix us, but remind us we've survived so much and still make beautiful things.
Very nice.
The next one is, so the next one is about when I was walking in the rain one day, and I thought, what if it could talk in ways that we wouldn't normally expect it to, in ways that normally wouldn't. Okay. So what if the rain could scrawl in silver, each drop a whisper, each splash a line, not just wet, but wise, brief messages inked in skywater script. A jacket sleeve might murmur, you're braver than you think, then vanish like a dream you almost remember. Your shoe catches a puddle, this too shall pass, and the storm starts to feel like a friend. It'd be a mess, street signs dripping with poetry, windshields preaching forgiveness, sidewalks spelling secrets in cursive. The world would shimmer with fleeting truths, gone as fast as they came, but just enough to keep us moving, just enough to make us smile in the storm. Yeah, it'd be chaos, but the kind that writes you back to life.
Very nice.
The next one is called Ocean in a Jar. Sometimes healing shows up in moments so quiet that we almost miss them. This next piece is about holding on and letting go at the same time. They say the sea was endless, vast, a place too wild to ever grasp. But jars are frail. But I was small and dreamed too far. I tried to hold the ocean in a jar. I scooped up waves, the foam, the blue, the salt-kissed wind, the morning dew. I saw the sunlight's golden spark, the call of gulls, the songs of the dark. I sealed it tight, my glassy prize, 1,000 tides behind my eyes, each swirl of water wild and deep, promised secrets it couldn't keep. But jars are frail and oceans vast, and nothing trapped was meant to last. The sea rebelled, it churned, it cried, the lid exploded, the ocean sighed. Now shards remain, just glints, just stars. No ocean lives inside my jars. And yet, each shard still hums with sound, the tide's soft pull, the earth unbound. So now I walk along the shore, and let the sea be free once more. The ocean's vast, I've learned my part, but jars are, I'm sorry. Sorry about that.
That's a oops.
That's a oops.
That was very nice.
Thank you.
Yes.
Not sure exactly what went wrong with it. I think it got cut off. So sorry. All right.
Those lights are the ending. Those lights are the ending. Can we hear that one again?
The ending?
The ending?
Yeah, but without the ending. Can we hear it again?
The whole thing?
Yeah, it's really
Yeah,
nice.
I
It's really
would
nice.
I'd like to hear it again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it possibly down where it's in the other papers?
I'm not sure.
You can make up an ending.
Yeah, and we all know. And if only you know, because you know what it was supposed to say. So don't worry about it.
Okay.
Okay? Just go on and read the next page when you get to the end. No, read the whole thing over again.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Okay. They say the sea was endless, vast, a place too wild to ever grasp. But I was small and dreamed too far. I tried to hold the ocean in a jar. I scooped up waves, the foam, the blue, the salt-kissed wind, the morning dew. I caught the sunlight's golden spark, the call of gulls, the songs of dark. I sealed it tight, my glassy prize, 1,000 tides behind my eyes. Each swirl of water, wild and deep, promised secrets it couldn't keep. But jars are frail, and oceans vast, and nothing trapped was meant to last. The sea rebelled, it churned, it cried, the lid exploded, the ocean sighed. Now shards remain, just glints, just stars. No ocean lives inside my jars. And yet, each shard still hums with sound. The tide's soft pull, the earth's unbound. So now I walk along the shore and let the sea be free once more. Thank you. All right. I'll just do one of the extra ones I have. If
Okay, that
can
would
we
be
give
great.
it a smile? Alright. It's called How to Spot a Good Day. Some days are quiet. They arrive in pajama pockets and tea steam. So, sometimes the day surprises you, not with fireworks, but with flickers. This is a quiet spell for those kinds of days. It starts when you forget. You're supposed to be serious. You laugh at something silly. A banana slips from your bag at the worst possible moment. Just like that, you're lighter. You notice the coffee ring on the counter looks like a solar eclipse. The toast smells like your childhood. A bird tries to outsing traffic. You let it. You hold the door.
And it says thank you.
I'll say different. My papers got all jostled in the car.
It's
Very nice, very nice.
May I help?
I'll just read this one and then I'll.
Okay, so when you print them,
Yes.
number them.
Number them.
With the
Thank you.
time, with the time on.
I appreciate it. I'll just read this one. It says, I almost said nothing. This last piece is a reminder to speak, especially when something feels too small or quiet to matter, because it might be the exact thing someone else needs to hear. I almost didn't write this. Didn't think it was big enough, important enough, loud enough to matter. But then I remembered how the smallest waves make the sand shimmer, how the last light of day touches everything like a promise, how your favorite moments never announce themselves. They just arrive, softly, fully. So this is for the soft things, the quiet ache, the whispered yes. I'm glad I said something.
Since our other reader hasn't come yet, I'll read a couple of poems.
Sure.
And Deb's gonna adjourn